Reading Unit 6, Lesson 5. I can use new information I am learning to lead me to new questions and wonderings about my topic. Today you're going to get out your reader's notebook, which is in your red reading folder, and you're going to look at the second and fourth columns and ask, what additional info or information did I gather beyond my confirmed previous knowledge? What new wonderings or questions do I have about my topics based on this additional information? So using Post-its, you're going to jot wonderings and questions and put them in the fifth column. During reading, look for answers to those wonderings and those questions. And remember, we're focusing on the cultures from Canada, U.S., Mexico, the government from those three countries, the economics, etc. So make sure we're jotting those questions, those wonderings we're having based on what we've already confirmed from our second and fourth columns. So today you'll be focusing on the confirmed knowledge we have, that's our second column, our new information that we've been gaining from Monday and Tuesday, and now this is what's new, our wondering. So we're going to be adding Post-its of our new questions, and hopefully we'll get some confirmed information that we can answer those questions or those wonderings. Make sure if you did get some confirmed information from your readings today, on the back you write if it was a book or an article, and you write the title, because we can always find the author's name later because the Post-its are kind of tiny. So this is not new. This is now the third or fourth time you've been using research resources, so there is no reason whatsoever not to identify the source of your information. Absolutely unacceptable. Today you will be reading by yourself after you write those questions and wonderings, so there is no shared reading together. You're all on your own Chromebook, or you are reading out of the books in the back of the room. Make me proud. I want a wonderful report.